Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to install a tool so that we can join a Java server with Bedrock. For this tool you need an Android phone, and on it you must have downloaded Termux, a files app that supports Termux, and an app named QuickEdit. All links and commands will be in the description below. Paste the first link in the terminal and click enter. This will take a while. Now you have to go to the Files app. Go to the Geyser folder. Click on config.yml. And open it with QuickEdit. Under the heading Remote, change the address to the IP of your server and check whether auth type is offline. You can adjust the settings completely to how you want it. If you want to look at the nether roof, you have to change the setting above Bedrock nether building to true. When you are done with all the settings, click Save. Then go back to Termux. Type now the second command. Type now cd Geyser. Now paste the third command in the terminal. Geyser is now successfully installed and turned on. We now switch to the iPad. Go to Friends and there you see the Geyser server. Thanks for watching and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye.